Hey guys, thanks for joining us at Cooking with Shotgun Red.
And if you like quick and easy, we have got you a recipe here that you're going to love.
It's super simple with just a few key ingredients and easy to make. You're going to love it. So we're going to take you back and we're going to show you how it's done.
We're going to start by making some white rice.
And today we're just using some minute rice, which is really quick and simple to make. Takes about 5 minutes. So we're going to put that in there, stir it around. And we're just going to cover it.
Remove it from the heat and set it aside.
So it will be ready to go when we need it. And then we've got our skillet on medium heat.
We are adding 1 pound of lean ground beef.
And this is 80-20 ground beef, but you could use 85-15 or even higher fat content. You would just have to drain the grease, but 80-20 is a pretty good in-between for me, and I'm probably not going to be draining the grease because I want all that flavor in the skillet. We're going to add just a dab of some sesame oil, maybe a tablespoon, just a little bit, and I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to use some more a little later in the recipe.
We take our little chopper tool and chop up the ground beef.
And as always, guys, we've got these links for these tools and stuff and what we use in each video right down below the video in the description box. Just click on more.
Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Sprinkle that on the meat.
And I like to season the meat.
Then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of Jen's favorite red pepper flakes.
Yes.
She loves red pepper flakes.
I do like red pepper flakes. And, you know, it's not going to make it that hot. This is just about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So, got to have a little Worcestershire sauce.
Some W sauce. Woohoo! Gotta have that.
That's right. It always flavors up the ground beef really well, too.
So mix in that seasoning. Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
So we will cover that and let it brown.
Should only take about a minute or two.
You know, we have a lot of people ask us for easy ground beef recipes.
We do. And we have quite a few on our channel. You can look up our playlist. We have beef recipe playlist. And this is going to be one to add to that playlist.
Yep. Then we are adding a 1/2 cup of a diced sweet onion.
Gotta have some sweet onion. You know, ground beef is economical, budget friendly, so a lot of people cook with it.
That's what I like to do. And a 1/3 cup of a diced sweet red bell pepper.
Hey, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and you'll get notified every time we put out a new recipe. And don't forget to give us that thumbs up. We really appreciate it. And comment. We'd like to hear from you.
Cover it and let the veggies soften up a little bit.
Just about a minute or two.
That smells good already. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Looks and smells so good.
It does.
I love the way ground beef smells, especially when you got all these seasonings.
Yeah, the aroma in the kitchen just fills up the kitchen, doesn't it?
Yep. So now we are going to push this to the side of the skillet.
And we're going to make a little room.
We're going to add 2 eggs lightly beaten.
And we are going to just put these in and scramble these up a little bit. You can't have fried rice without scrambled eggs.
Exactly. I love scrambled eggs.
Me too. So once those are just about cooked, I'm going to make a little bit more room here. And I'm using a pretty decent sized deep skillet here, so I'm just kind of moving this beef off to the side so I can pile it up a little bit. Once I get that moved.
Then we can add our peas and carrots.
And this was just some frozen peas and carrots that we actually defrosted. So we're just going to put them in here and get them heating up. And I prefer to use the frozen over canned. I like the color of the frozen vegetables better. Then we'll finish scrambling these eggs up a little bit and then start slowly mixing them in with the peas and carrots.
And then gently fold into the beef mixture.
Yeah, just don't want to crush the peas. So you just got to do it a little at a time.
It's all coming together.
Yes, it is.
Not only does it smell delicious, but it is a colorful skillet.
It is, and we know how you like color.
I can't help it. I like it.
So then, once we get that mixed together,
we will cover it for a couple of minutes.
Let that go ahead and cook. Now that the vegetables are heated up,
take the lid off. Ooh, look at that.
Looks so good.
We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the skillet.
Just kind of sprinkle that throughout the dish here and get that mixing together. Yeah, that's going to help keep that rice from sticking to the beef and the vegetables. And it's going to add a nice flavor. That sesame oil has got good flavor. So I'm turning that down to low.
Then we can add in our cooked rice.
And this is about 2 cups of rice. Well, this is actually about 2.5 cups of rice. I don't want to overfill my skillet, so I might leave a little on the side. So we're just going to fold that in gently.
Combining the rice into the beef mixture.
This is such a quick and easy skillet to make.
I do agree with that. Then we can add the soy sauce.
Gotta have some soy sauce in there, and you could use the light soy sauce if you want.
Can't have stir fry without soy sauce, can we, Jen?
No, we can't. And that's going to give it a nice color too. It's going to color the rice up a little bit. So we'll just gently fold that in some more. And that soy sauce is going to add that saltier flavor. So that's why we didn't add that much salt in the beginning. And depending on how much soy sauce you use, that's going to determine how salty the taste is. So, and it only takes about 20 minutes to make this entire meal.
That's always good.
So it's a great weeknight dinner just to whip up on the stove. If you have a wok, you can use it. But if you don't, just do it in the skillet.
I like this.
Absolutely delicious.
Remove it from the heat. And sprinkle some diced green onions. Ooh, good. That's always good.
Yes, it is.
If you make this skillet, let us know in the comments how it turned out for you.
Yeah, please do.
I guarantee quite a few of you will make this.
Oh, yeah. And it's delicious. You guys are going to love it. Wait till you try it. So much flavor, and everything is all here in one skillet.
I am ready for a bowl of this. And as Steve would say,
is this the best ground beef fried rice you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.